is the arterial system, and it is a much deeper dissection than we've done in this shark. We can still see the dorsal aorta. It comes here and it branches off to all of the different efferent arteries that are supplying the gills.
So all of the branches are the efferent arteries?
Efferent, yep.
Okay.
And so we have collector loops where the blood comes and the artery comes and it supplies the gill. We cut it off. You can see it over here. It's a little bit harder to see, but all of this red is part of the collector loop. The diagram's probably a lot better in the book for that. Okay, so, you know, these are just like the cartilage. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you can see a little bit better here, 5. Okay, so those are 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sometimes it's hard to count all of them. And then this is the paired dorsal aorta, but only one side injected. Can you see it running right here? It didn't inject on this other side. And then it comes up to the carotid arteries. And in another shark, no, we didn't dissect that deep enough. Basically, this was inside of something right here, and I broke through the cartilage to expose the rest of it. So this was covered by cartilage. So the carotid arteries go through what is the carotid foramen, and then it splits, and we have the internal carotid arteries here that run on either side. And this is the chondronium. What's the name of the shark's skull? Anyways, you can see the rostral keel here. This is just a deep dissection. And then we got our spiracle and the... Which is the hole. And then we have an efferent spherical artery.
That runs right by the hole.
Yep, supplies the hole. And so we've really just got the internal carotids, the carotid foramen, and then the paired aorta, dorsal aorta, which you can't even see the other one, and then all the efferent branches, and then the collector loops that go through the gills. And that's the arterial system, other than the dorsa. We did go through this a little bit. Yeah. We have the dorsa aorta, and then the posterior mesenteric artery that comes and supplies, and then we get all the blood supply through the rest of the system. And that is the circulatory system for the shark.